Teacher Josie is back to share another brain fillers. Our episode today is solving system of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. Before we will have the new lesson, let's have Find Me activity. Music will be played, and when it stops, we will check your answer. Let's check. Number 1. What is x? We have x is equal to 6 minus 2y. Number 2. Our x is 7 minus y all over 3. Number 3. Our y is equal to 9 minus x. And number 4. We have y is equal to 8 minus 3x all over 5. What is the meaning of the idiomatic expression, there are several ways of skinning a cat? It means there are many ways to do something. There are many ways to achieve a goal. How will you apply it in mathematics? Although graphing helps us to picture the solutions of systems of equations, it is not always fast or accurate in cases where solutions are not integers. We now learn other methods using algebra. Let us consider the same pair of equations we worked with in our previous topic. Recall that the solution of the system using graphing is 2, 1. This time, we will use substitution method. Let me give the steps in solving system of linear equations in two variables using this method. Step 1. Solve for one variable in terms of the other variable in one of the equations. If one of the equations already gives the value of one variable, you may proceed to the next step. 2. Substitute to the second equation the value of the variable found in the first step. Simplify, then solve the resulting equation. 3. Substitute the value obtained in equation 2 to any of the original equations to find the value of the other variable. And check the proposed solution in both equations in the system. Let's now solve the system x plus 2y equals 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. Begin by isolating one of the variables in either of the equations. Which of the equations will you solve first? And for what variable to avoid fractions? Let us solve for x in terms of y in equation 1. X plus 2y equals 4. We have x equals 4 minus 2y. Substitute the expression for y in the second equation. 2x minus y equals 3. Copy to our x is 4 minus 2y minus y is equal to 3. Applying the distributive property, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y. Copy minus y equals 3. Combining like terms, negative 4y minus y is negative 5y. 3 plus negative 8 is negative 5. We added negative 8 to both sides of the equation so that on the left side, we only have the y term. Dividing both sides of the equation by negative 5, our y is equal to 1. Substitute the value obtained in either equation 1 or equation 2 to find the other variable. Let's say in equation 1, x plus 2y is equal to 4. Copy x plus 2, our y is 1, is equal to 4. Copy x, 2 times 1 is 2, equals 4. So what is x? Our x is, we will add negative 2 to both sides of the equation. So 4 plus negative 2 is 2. What value of x and y did you get? X is 2 and y is 1. Let's check. Equation 1. X plus 2y equals 4. Our x is 2 plus 2. Our y is 1 equals 4. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have 4 equals 4. True. Next, equation 2. 2x minus y equals 3. Copy 2. Our x is 2 minus our y is 1 equals 3. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 3 equals 3. It's true. 2, 1 satisfies equation 1 and equation 2. We obtain true statements to both equations. Therefore, 2, 1 is the solution of the system. Let's have example 2. Solve the system x plus 3y equals negative 4 and y equals x minus 16. Solution. The second equation, y equals x minus 16, says that y and x minus 16 have the same value. Hence, we may substitute x minus 16 for y in the first equation. Equation 1 is x plus 3y equals negative 4. Copy x plus 3 and our y is x minus 16. Copy equals negative 4. Copy x. We apply now the distributive property. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 16 is negative 48. So this is equal to negative 4. Combine similar terms. X plus 3x is, correct, it is 4x. And negative 4 plus 48 is 44. Take note, we added 48 to both sides of the equation. We applied the addition property of equality. Dividing now both sides of the equation by 4, we have x is equal to 11. Now, solve for y by substituting 11 for x in y is equal to x minus 16. So we have here y equals x minus 16. Copy y is equal to, again, our x is 11. So copy minus 16. What is 11 minus 16? It is negative 5. Let's check. In equation 1, we have x plus 3y equals negative 4. Our x is 11. Our y is negative 5. Copy 11. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Copy negative 4. 11 minus 15 is negative 4. So we have negative 4 is equal to negative 4. It is a true statement. In equation 2, y equals x minus 16. Again, our y is negative 5. And our x is 11. 11 minus 16 is negative 5. So negative 5 is equal to negative 5. We have also a true statement. 11 negative 5 satisfies equation 1 and equation 2. We obtain true statements to both equations. Therefore, 11 negative 5 is the solution of the system. Let's try this. Number 1. In the system of equations 3x plus 5y equals 8 and y equals 4 minus x, what would be the resulting equation if 4 minus x is substituted to y in the first equation? Is it A, B, C, or D? If we substitute 4 minus x for y in equation 1, we have 3x plus 5 times the quantity 4 minus x is equal to 8. Copy 3x, apply the distributive property. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times negative x is negative 5x. So this is equal to 8. Combining similar terms, 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. We added negative 20 to both sides of the equation. So 8 plus negative 20 is negative 12. What do you think is the answer in number 1? It is correct. It is letter C. 3x plus 20 minus 5x is equal to 8. Let's have number 2. What is the value of x and y in item number 1? So we will solve the system 3x plus 5y is equal to 8. And y is equal to 4 minus x. Let's see. So equation 1, 3x plus 5y is equal to 8. We copy 3x plus 5. Our y is 4 minus x is equal to 8. We copy 3x, distribute 5. So we have plus 20 there. And minus 5x is equal to 8. Combining similar terms, we have negative 2x from 3x minus 5x. That is equal to negative 12 from 8 plus negative 20. Dividing both sides of the equation by negative 2, we have x is equal to 6. So we substitute 6 for x in equation 2. Y is equal to 4 minus x. So we have y is equal to 4 minus our x is 6. So what is the value of y? What is 4 minus 6? It is negative 2. So we have the answer 6, negative 2. Let's check if 6, negative 2 is really the solution. In equation 1, we have 3x plus 5y is equal to 8. Our x is 6. Our y is negative 2. Performing the indicated operations, we have 8 is equal to 8. True. In equation 2, we have y is equal to 4 minus x. Again, our y is negative 2 and our x is 6. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So we have negative 2 is equal to negative 2. True. 6, negative 2 satisfies equation 1 and equation 2. So it is really the solution of the system. So, in solving system of linear equations in two variables using substitution method, remember the following steps. Let's complete the steps by arranging the letters of the words needed. Number 1, solve for one variable in terms of the other variable in one of the equations. If one of the equations already gives the value of one variable, you may proceed to the next step. 2a. Substitute to the second equation the value of the variable found in the first step. 2b. Simplify, then solve the resulting equation. 3a. Substitute the value obtained in equation 2 to any of the 3b original equations to find the value of the other variable. And 4, check the proposed solution in both equations in the system. Ooh, how time flies! Our battle in X and Y things is over again. Hope you enjoyed the fight, mathematics warriors.